How to generate income with the Home Business Academy, or HBA, starting today. I'm going to share with you 4 traffic sources that's going to get you going in the right direction. Now, I highly recommend that you only choose one to get started with. Choose one product inside of the Home Business Academy to get started with. Choose one traffic source to get started with. And I'm going to give you the best recommendation because it's going to be inside of the Home Business Academy for you to actually get started. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to drop down in the corner. But before I do that, let me just tell you, look, I've been in affiliate marketing for a long time. And before any of these traffic sources that I'm about to share with you were available, I was doing something called bomb marketing. Now, bomb marketing was a simple way that you would write articles and they would go on article sites and they would rank in Google. And by those article sites ranking in Google, and if your article showed inside of Google at the top at that moment in time, then you could generate sales. Now, those days are gone. You know, there are some article sites right now, you know, like Medium and some other ones that you can rank on using, you know, articles and things like that. But, you know, and those are free methods and they work if you're willing to put in the time to do that. So what I'm going to share with you are actually two free methods, and then I'm going to share with you 2 paid methods that I use as well. So if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm actually going to show you inside of the Home Business Academy how to get access to the training to at least 3 of these products that I'm about to share with you, or 3 of these traffic sources that I'm about to share with you. So with that being said, I'm going to drop down in the corner and we're going to move on from there. Okay, so now here we are inside of the Home Business Academy. They have consolidated everything into one back office. If you notice now, they even got the dark screen, but that's not what we're here to talk about. So one thing you're going to see, if you notice over here, you can see people getting results. Okay, so these are actual results that people are getting in live time. You see right here, 20 hours ago, I earned a residual commission, and it's all about residual income 15 hours ago as well. Okay, so before I get into this one, let me show you the 4 traffic sources. Now, one of the traffic source is YouTube. Now, before you decide you don't want to do YouTube videos, that's cool right now. You can do it AI, or you can do faceless videos. I highly recommend that you do videos of yourself, okay, to get started. So what you want to do is start creating review videos about the Home Business Academy, your honest opinion about the Home Business Academy, and let people know how you are progressing. You can do a demo of it, and then you can document your journey with the Home Business Academy. People love to watch you document your journey. One thing you want to do inside of here, you can do long form videos, you can do short videos in here as well, but you also want to set up you a playlist. I have a playlist for the Home Business Academy under reviews. I have one for the Let's Go app. And if you come down here, these are some of my older videos when I first started, with the Home Business Academy. So you want to do YouTube videos. Why YouTube videos? Simply because your YouTube videos are going to stay on YouTube for the long haul, which means, 6 months from now, people can still find your video and still purchase from you. One thing I like about YouTube is people can see me or someone else inside of the Home Business Academy, and they're going to resonate with me, or they're going to resonate with the other person, which means they're going to join whoever. So don't be hesitant about competition on YouTube or whatever. Just go ahead on and get the YouTube videos done. Another place you can do it is Facebook. YouTube and Facebook are both free traffic methods. You can come on Facebook. One thing I recommend you do is put your link over here in the bio, okay, and then add your other links down here as well. Your intro, and then in your bio, add your links there as well. Okay, I do posts about myself. I'm a pastor, so I do posts about, what's going on at church today. This is another little opportunity here, but you can do different posts. Here's a post I did right here that got 22 comments. Okay, people are asking for information here. Do a little motivational and things like that. That's up to you. You can keep it real with people. Do a little stories here to help people out. Okay. Feel like 3K a month online is a pipe dream? Here are 8 truths about building residual income you need to know. Drop those comments. These are called viral posts or value ladder posts, inside of Facebook that you can do as well. Okay, so you can use Facebook. I highly recommend that you optimize your profile for this because you want people to know that you are in business. Now, one of the mistakes I'm probably making is up here in my image up here at the top is that I really don't have, what I do up here, but people can come here and read, see my intro, come over here and see my bio, and they'll know I'm in business, okay, that I'm doing some type of business so that they can come and check out. So I highly recommend Facebook. Now, the paid traffic sources is one, it's Udemy. This is where you can purchase solo ads, okay? You can come in here and purchase solo ad by simply come up here just saying buy solos, okay? And when it goes there, you can, set your filters up here and all of this, and you can purchase solo. You see there's only 3 sellers right here right now. So if I come down here and change this to, 100 rating, then it should give you more. If I drop this down to 20% got sales, so it gives you more people in here that you can get access to, max price, all of that. You would just simply come in here and choose one of these people that you want, okay? And then you can start getting traffic to your affiliate link using solo ad. And so you don't have to start with a big budget. I highly recommend that you start with a low budget. Start with one traffic source, okay? Make sure you're tracking your link with who you use in here as well. So if I was going to use Stefan, I have used him years ago and he's still on here. So if I was going to do him, I would come in here and, just say buy solo ad. If you move this bar, you can tell by the price here, it changes. Okay, select what you want to do. What I would do is start with 100 clicks, put in your URL here. But one thing you want to do is come down through here, see where the traffic is coming from. Also see if people got sales using him. Okay, so that's what you can do inside of with Udemy as well. Another traffic source that I use is called Traffic Zest. When Traffic Zest first came out, I got to be honest with you, when it first came out, I was excited about it, but it seemed as if, some of the vendors in there are kind of shady, so you have to be careful. But it's simple to set up a traffic campaign in here, or basic campaign. You put your campaign name, the link where you want it to go. You can start now, end date. Okay, you can block certain traffic vendors. You can come down here. You want to pick make money online. You have all of these vendors in here that you can choose from. And go with. You can set your location target, the desktop, desktop or smartphone, tablet, all of that right there, and the clicks that you want, you can set that from there as well. You have all of these clicks in here that you can get. You'll set your budget and all of that, put it on smooth and let it run. And you can put it on the start end date here as well. It gives you the summary of everything over here that you're done. You can activate it, pause it whenever you want. So this is another traffic source that I use. Now, inside of the Home Business Academy, this is where it's going to give you the training in order for you to make this work. Now, they do not have Traffic Zest in here, but they do have training for YouTube, Facebook, and Udemy in here as well. So if you come over here, the first thing I would do is, and my best advice to you right now is when you join, take your time, okay? Don't come in here and be in such a hurry to make money. It does not happen that way. It takes a while to make money online. You have to be willing to stick with one thing, stick with one platform, and do your very best. So when you come inside of the app, and you can join by clicking the link in the description below, you're going to come over here to affiliate section. And in the affiliate section, they're going to walk you step by step how to get started, okay, without even setting up a funnel and all of that. Watch this video right here. You're going to have the quick start checklist. Go through every step right here and just take your time and do it right. Then you have the new members orientation. You have all of that. If you want to watch any of those, just click this button right here. The other ones pop up here for you to watch at your leisure. You can click here to go all in at any time. Every Saturday, we have a session at 9 a.m. Eastern time, 8 o'clock Central. You can join that session to get your questions answered. They show you the system and how to make everything work. If you can't make it live, you can submit your question right here and they will answer it on the Saturday call. So also you have the income calculator. How much do you want to earn per month? That's totally up to you. I'm not going to go through this much, but you can see the compensation plan. You pay out 80% commission. Qualified sales mean you own the product that you sold. Here is the actual, layout of what you can earn. $8 on the Let's Go app. $20 on the Funnel Builder Premium is $100. That's $128 in residual income if the person has all three products. If they just have Let's Go, you earn $8. If they just have a Funnel Builder, $20. If Premium, $100. What I recommend is start off with the Let's Go and work your way up because it's the least barrier of entry, getting people in. But here is where it shows, how you can make the most. Okay, if you have 10 all-in customers, that's $1,200 a month. 100 is $12,800 a month. The FTC disclaimer, okay, you can see it and read it right here. And if you have some frequent asked questions, you can read right here as well. Also, you have the affiliate training, okay? So you have recognition and contribution and FTC compliance. You want to make sure you read all of that and things inside of there. So now, how do you actually learn how to create YouTube video? How do you learn how to post on Facebook? Okay, how do you learn how to get traffic the correct way using Udemy? All of that is actually inside of Premium. In Premium, this is where you're going to learn all that. You're going to get pre-ready, get ready for pre-traffic, all of this right here, okay? So it talks about lead magnets, bookmarking, bookmarks and browser setup, all of that right there. You're also going to get free traffic. This is where you're going to learn about Facebook, okay? We talked about Facebook, short form video, YouTube ranking, okay? All of that right there. Facebook mastery, LinkedIn, all of this right here, 5-day challenge, lunch code, all of this right here. So if you make up your mind, do you want to do YouTube? Do you want to do Facebook? Pick one or the other till you get good at that one, then move to the next one. Now you have those two, and then you can start, once you start earning some income, you can start getting paid traffic, okay? So you have free traffic there, and then you have paid traffic, solo ad training. You're going to have that in here as well. All of that right there, you're going to have access to, that's going to help you along the way with solo ads, text messages, YouTube automation, faceless channels, all of that right there, Facebook ads. Everything you need is right there, but you're going to have to be premium in order to get that done. So I've given you 4 traffic sources that you can tap into: YouTube, okay, Facebook, Udemy, and Traffic Zest. If you're ready to get started with the Home Business Academy and you're ready to lock in and focus on this, click the link that's in the description. Go to the Simple $10 Business. Get started. Once you get in here, you're going to get an email from me. You're going to get an email from the Home Business Academy, okay? And I'm going to actually welcome you inside of this group here, right here in the social part of it. And you see people are still earning 7 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago, 27 minutes ago. Residual income that keeps coming in as long as the person remains a member inside of the system. So if you're ready to go ahead on and get started, click the link in the description. I'm looking forward to working with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.